Tell me that doesn't look like Ventura, California. Everybody in their little surf mobiles, living in their camper vans. Got a lady walking around with some fake boobies. Soft tops making an attack on the beach. Okay, big girl trying to ruin my shot. You're not going to do it. You're not going to ruin my shot, big girl. I'm going to get around you and your big ass board. Look at that. No place I have been in the world reminds me more of Southern California than Tenerife and the Canary Islands. Look at it, with the mountains spilling into the sea. It's summer season, not big wave season, but certainly rideable out there. Great beginner waves. I don't know why these donkeys are wearing wetsuits. I was in the water this day. It was like 73, 74 degrees. The booties I can understand. The rock reef bottom. But you do not need a wetsuit. This guy's doing it right. Board shorts, t-shirt, barefoot. He knows what's up. I mean, this could be anywhere in Southern California. Boardwalk at the beach, little shops. This could be Santa Monica. This could be Newport Beach. Not exactly the same, but very similar. Muy parecido. I really like that they go completely overboard with their palm tree landscaping. I support that. Even though it's cloudy in this video, this area is very sunny. Just like Southern California, gets very little rain. Just like Southern California has incredible weather year-round. Maybe a little bit less cold in the winter. It really does not get that hot. Maybe 80 Fahrenheit, 82 Fahrenheit. Oh man, look at this. I see my future. That's future me. Maybe 10 years. Fat, tan, proud, happy. I mean, that could easily be old man's in San Onofre. Easily. I mean, if you're living in Southern California and you're like, this is ridiculous, I've been renting my whole life, I'll never be able to buy here, come to the Canary Islands. All you gotta do is learn Spanish. No es tan difícil, amigo. Oh, sorry, that was Mexican Spanish. I can also speak Texan Spanish. Hola, amigo. ¿Dónde está mi cerveza? I can speak Spanish from Spain as well. Gracias por la cerveza. Big wide boardwalk. I mean, that was one of the features I loved the most about living in Southern California. I lived near the beach the whole time I was there. I got to live in one of the best parts of the world and enjoy that boardwalk all the time. And here in Tenerife, Spain, I get a second chance to do it all over again. Hasta luego, chicos.